Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be doing what's inside two bouncy balls. This like pink, blue, purplish one, it's like glowy inside, and this white one is just a big one, but it's just kind of hardish, rubberish. So we're gonna see much higher. I just drop them right here. Inside this. I figured the little one would bounce higher. Different inside. And this one's, of course, a lot heavier. This one hurts when you catch it. So this one bounces a lot higher. So we'll probably end up using this one. So we'll probably cut both open. But first, I'm gonna go see. I don't know. First, I'm probably gonna put them in water to clean them, and then put them in the microwave, and then just cut them from there. We'll see what's going on inside. Okay, so we have these two for inside, and right now I'm gonna wash them because they're really dirty, and I just want to see what's inside, so let me wash them. Where's the other one? I can't find the other one. That's one. Let me try and find the other one. Ew, that's gross. And this one's washing. Okay, so now they're kind of wet, so I'm going to dry them because I'm going to cut them.
At the cutting board.
I'm going to cut the cutting board. Okay. This. So let me get that. Now I need a knife. But that push it when I do my smile. Okay. So these we're gonna put them in water and put them in the microwave. Let's do that right now. What are you doing? YouTube video. Got more water. Turn off the aircon. Turn off the aircon. And then how long do I put it for like 10 seconds? Wait, no, what if one like burns out? I want to put it for like
We'll put her for 5 seconds.
5
Try it out for
seconds.
5 and that's it.
The white ones at the bottom and the blue and the
Put your hand.
yellow white one at the bottom and then the other one's at the top. Just put it for 5 seconds, and if it's good, we're gonna do another 5 seconds. We don't have that many outlets, so we are connected. So 5 seconds. 5. Start. Five seconds. They haven't got warm.
5 more then.
I guess I'll put it in for like another 10 seconds. I think they're gonna burn. That's 15 seconds in total because I put it for 5. That's 10, so it's 15 total. Warm enough. Drain out the water. And my little doggy bowl. That's where we feed my dog. We feed my tackle. They're wet again. So dry them up. They're kind of squeaky. I don't know if y'all can heard that on camera. Okay. Flip it over. Oh, never mind. This side a little bit dirty. Which one do I do first? This one? Okay, so this one I was picking at it in the car with my nails. I was kind of like scarving in. And I was going to do the whole thing with my nails, or figured that it would hurt. So, I'm just going to cut right over that. Ah! Oh, it's all weird inside. Oh, look at all that white stuff on the knife. All the white stuff on the knife. Right there. And I don't know if it's on the but now that y'all know what's in these little balls are like rubber kind of. That's what's in these. So that one's done. I'm just gonna do the zebra. This one should be able to.
Watch your fingers.
Oy. This one's kind of hard because it's a lot
Let me do
thicker.
it. Let me do it.
I got this, bro. It's kind of hard to cut. I guess just go like all the way around with it. Try and stab it. And it's coming apart little by little. It's going little by little.
You're gonna poke yourself.
Ah! You can do it. I give up. How did you? What? I thought this would be like so different. There's like more white stuff. Hey.
Because they each have a different texture. This is more rubbier and this is not. White one is different.
This one's like rubber. It's a rubbier. Yeah, now my camera lens is dirty. Then this one is like goo. See? Well, that's what's inside of those, so I don't know if I'll be doing more of what's inside, but for sure I'm doing those, and I'll let you guys know up to this. I kind of want to continue.
Start recording.
Huh?
Stop.
No. Yeah, that's too hard. Let's just go this one. Now we're going to cut all these two. This one into fours. This one's cut into fours. The blue part of it. I think that's parts. I don't know. I'll figure these out somehow. Really hard. And then this one comes in fours. What about this one? I did it! Now the other one. Did it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Share with your friends, and please comment and subscribe, and comment on what I should do next, and please smash that like button. Let's get up to 10 likes, because I'm not going high, I'm going up to 10. You know what? Let's go to 5 likes. 5 likes, and we'll do another, like, what's inside video. So, hope y'all enjoyed, and please subscribe, like I said. Comment on what I should do next, and then follow me on Instagram, which is able_Ortega vlogs. And yeah, I'll be posting when I make new videos on Instagram if you guys want to know. So, peace.